Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I've been sent something. It's in this box by a company called POPOSOAP. I'm filming this in my olive grove for a very particular reason, because what's in that box is going to be perfect for my rill garden, which I've told you about in the past. I'm going to construct a beautiful rill water feature in my olive grove, and what's in there is perfect. And the wonderful news is that that product is available both in the States and the UK. And I'm going to put the links to that product in the description box below this video. The company has both a UK and a US presence. I've got a great big vat of water here, so you'll see what that's for in a moment. The company that have sent me that have also sent me this. You can probably work out what this is. It's a little waterfall feature. So in this video, I'm going to unbox what's in that box, spread it out on the table, set it up, and then we're going to have a little play with it and have a little bit of fun. That's relevant to that, and I'll now open the box and show you what's inside. Now, I have already had a sneaky peek inside the POPOSOAP box and had a look at the instructions, and it's become evident that I'm going to need a little tray for this unboxing. Right, what's in here? I won't keep you in suspense any longer. This is a pond pump, but it's a pond pump with a difference, because it's a pond pump contained inside its own filter. Right, let me bring this out. And I think this is a wonderful invention. And it may not be new, but it's the first time I've heard of it. Right, the outer box here is the filter. And as I lift the lid off the filter, you'll see suddenly why I needed this tray for the contents. Right, let's empty the contents of this filter onto that tray. Isn't that wonderful and clever? A pond pump inside its own filter. And don't panic because of all these bits and bobs, because there's a really easy to understand picture about what those bits are for. I will just run through a few of these things because, again, they are particularly relevant for my rill garden. Right, so that's obviously the pump. Don't forget, if you're in the UK, click on the UK link so that you get the UK plug. If you're in the States, click on the States link so that you get the USA plug. Right, you get 3 fountain options with this. These are vertical sprays, like a little fountain, and that one is one of those that makes a lovely cone-shaped film of water. Right, so we'll put them there. That's an extender. This is the thing that for me is of particular interest, because that is a diverter valve. Can you see? Essentially, you put that on top of your pump, and it means that you can have some of your water going up to your fountain, and you can also divert some of the flow down a pipe. For me, that's brilliant, because I can have a fountain at one end of my rill and a waterfall at the other end. And you also get a little bag of assorted connectors, which also I will lay out on this piece of polystyrene so that you can see them clearly. And of course, you may be wondering what these little balls are. Well, they are known as bio balls, and they are to aid the cleaning and the filtration of the water, and they go around the pump in the box. POPOSOAP are all about cleaning your water and keeping it clean. Right, I'm going to set this up now, and we're going to have a little play with the vat of water that I showed you earlier. So there we go, the POPOSOAP pump with built-in filter, or should I say pump built into a filter, and also their lovely waterfall. These two things together will be ideal for my rill garden, which is going to run along the centre of my olive grove. I'm a bit wet, but I don't mind. I've had a lot of fun. Don't forget, the links for POPOSOAP are in the description box below this video. The brand in the UK is called Biling, and you must click the right link to get through to the right region, whether it be US or UK. Hope you've enjoyed that. I'm really excited to create my new rill garden, and I'll see you soon for some pond pump with filter adventures. Bye for now.